going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a vampire hamster, okay? It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners, and I would say very Halloween-esque. So, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the kind of curve of the head of the hamster. I'm going to go over here. Curve. Alright. Right off the bat, I'm like, I need a better marker. This marker's kind of weird too. Alright. Over here on this side, I'm going to go over here and curve over here for the ear. Over here at the far end, so I'm going to have the far end ear over here. It's just going to be like a hump. Let's go over here. Excuse me. For that hamster's body on this side. Curve. Go over here on this side now. Right on. Alright. Now I'm going to go over here and draw the hamster's feet. So right here, it's going to be like a circle. Everything is like round and like bean-like, pretty much. Pull a line underneath here for the back side of him. Over here, curve. And straight line underneath. Cool. Alright. Now we're going to go into the hamster's face. Well, not really yet. So right here we're going to draw a line right here for the inner ear, flat line. Curve. Going to go over here. Circle. Over here. Circle. Alright, we got the two eyes right there. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line across them. That marker is really gross. Line across here. And we're going to find the highlight. Okay? Cool. I'm going to fill in the bottom parts of those. Right there. Gonna go down here. V for the nose. Curve. Gonna go down here, line down. Curve underneath and curve underneath right here for smiley. Line. Curve underneath. Go like hee hee, you know, like he's doing that. But at the same time, he is gonna have fangs. Remember, this is a vampire, so right here we're gonna have the little teeth sticking out. Right there, right side, and then right over here on this side. Just line over here, line over here. Curve. Curve. Go over here, curve, curve. Right here for his hand, he's gonna have the hands in front of him. Gonna go over here, curve on this side. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw generally Halloween stuff, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Also hit the like if you like this kind of goofy, goofy experimental like vampire hamster thing I'm doing. Curve over here. Down, down, down. Over here on this side. Down, down, down. Curve over here. Line underneath. Right on. We got this like chunky hamster vampire. For more of an effect, you can throw a little cape on him. Line over here, line back. Right, so just gonna have that effect. And line over here. Out over here. We got this little cape. Down over here, back there. Curve line over here. Now I'm gonna fill this in dark. Some of the markers are like really weak, so I have to like really be selective here on the markers. If you do this in a, by the way, don't forget, get the Halloween, if you love Halloween, you love art, get the stickers to represent. Go check it out. There are stickers on sketchingeasy.com. Take a look. Really good stuff there because people requested it. Stickers. Right on. Alrighty, and that's mostly it. That is a vampire hamster. Very odd request someone made, but if you want to request something like that, let me know and I will totally do it. If you think this guy's cute, don't forget to check out the cute drawing ebook that exists. I'm going to put that link in the description. Teaches you how to take stuff and make it cutified. So talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon.